I had very much of anxiety issues and too much of thoughts coming into my mind. I mean, constant thoughts coming into my mind. That has subsided quite a bit, quite a bit. My name is Mitesh Arora. I am a businessman. I have a construction company. It's been 15 years, 17 years. I am into this profession. I just got to know about Bhagavad Gita or whatever through Vibhushri only. I think each and everyone in this world, in this today's generation and today life what we are living, I think everyone has to join that. If we are running in a rat race, so I think everyone has to be aware of what has to be inside rather than outside. See, I didn't knew anything about Vibhushri. I was just thrown into this thing that you just join it. But after coming here, I found some connection to the voice of Vibhushri. It makes me feel very calm and positive about it. So I think everyone should join Vibhushri.